Hey guys, now we change the screen for Huawei Nova 3i. Disassemble the back first. Just do with the sharp knife screen opener or anything like you got. Just disassemble. Then unplug the battery connection. Then after the fingerprint, then remove the back. Then remove all the screws from top plate on the connection. Remove all the screws from the bottom. Then remove the speaker. Just do it carefully. Remove all the screws. Yes, then remove the speaker like this. Then now heated up the screen from top for removing because it's fixed with the glue. So if you guys not like heated up properly, so the phone screen comes with the screen. So that's why try to do heated up properly with dry or any heat gun. But if you guys don't know what like how to use the heat gun, then the better thing use the air, right? Because the heat gun, if you put with more time, it's gonna burn the phone. Then remove the screen like this. With the knife or any screen opener, do it carefully, just around the screen from the corner. And sliding the, if you guys do with the knife, maybe it's like easy for you to remove the screen. So now just do it with the knife like this. Yes, remove the screen now. And after that, clean the whole, like the glue, the old glue around the frame with the knife or any sharp like plucker or like anything you use. Just any glue remover or anything. Just do it properly, because otherwise the new screen will put on. Just test the screen now. Connect the screen, because test the screen before fixing even any model, because these model like fixed with the glue, so it's very hard to remove the screen. Check the screen touch and the LCD, everything properly. Now I'm testing the screen now. Now put the glue around the frame properly. Put the glue like everywhere, like. Then put the new screen on it. So now put the clip in the bottom. and one on the top, one more on the left, yeah, and one on the right. Yeah, so now leave the phone at least 3 to 4 hours, and after that put it back, all the frame plate, all the screws back, connect the fingerprint. Do it carefully guys, sometimes the wire, the flex gonna broken, so do it carefully. Put the sticky tape like around the phone on the back, then put the back on it and just press it properly from everywhere. And after that take a glue remover and clean the whole, like the screen, the whole extra glue around the frame, top on the screen, like this. The phone will be ready guys.